Got a package on my doorstep from the publisher, Schiffer Publishing. You guys are going to be witnessing the official unboxing. I'm going to stand up because I'm super excited. I don't think I can sit down for this. Beautiful. It's kind of light, not super heavy. Oh. Wow. Oh, it's not what you think. Oh, so nice. That is so cool. That's so nice. I was not expecting that at all. Wow. I think we know what this is. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, this is better than what I expected. This is really nice. This is really nice. Hard copy, the first advance copy ever to be printed. Wow. There you have it. First official advance copy, official unboxing video. It's the first time I've ever seen it. It's the first time you guys are ever seeing it. If you haven't pre-ordered yet, this is your incentive. Go pre-order. This book looks amazing.